Hello and welcome to day 8. Today I'm moving onto this room because for the second week of this vacation I'm gonna be in that room down there. So I'm cleaning up this room. If you don't like watching and seeing disgusting things having to do with human hair, then don't watch the next few seconds. But I'm trying to vacuum and the vacuum's not working. I'm like, why isn't the vacuum working? Turn it upside down. That's disgusting. There was a big storm, a lot of rain last night, and I'm gonna go look down by the river. So the river from the mountain rain comes down towards the ocean, and when the mountain rain fills up the river too much, they have to like push out the sand so that the water goes to the ocean. Otherwise it'd be flooding in the valleys. So let's go check it out. Okay, I can't bring a hat, it's gonna fall off. Sorry. Come here. Swept away. Yeah, we're at the beach again today. Anna and my mom are already out there. Here with mom. Anna and Johnny. Where'd you go? And there's like 30 of them out here.
That didn't work.
In the Foodland, whatever this is called, La EA, only place to shop ever. Anna and I went for a walking adventure again. Mango ice cream, mochi ice cream. Just like we had yesterday. Okay, now we're walking back home.
I got the mint chip mochi ice cream. This is a new flavor. I've never tried it.
Dude, your lips made a weird shape, Riley. I'll show it back to you.
It's good.
Bundaberg peach soda. Look at this opening.
Tea, right? You promised me? I don't like the tea.
It's gonna hurt me.
No, so pull out.
Like for you?
It's gonna pop.
This one.
Just like a,
Oh.
and then a,
Wait, can you reseal it? Are these resealable? Yeah, they are. Cute. Look. Pumpkin spice salted caramels.
oh, there's one actually. They're salty.
Oh, that's nice. That is disgusting.
They're like very salty, huh? Like overly salty.
I ate this.
Great. Leave this.
Playing volleyball again.